Ukraine elite forces demolish Russian tanks and base to fiery wrecks. This aerial footage purports to show Russian military vehicles and pieces of Russian military equipment spewing flames and thick, black smoke after they were hit in Ukrainian artillery strikes. Newsflash obtained the video from the Ukrainian Air Assault Forces, DSHV, one of the 5 branches of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and considered the elite of Ukraine's armed forces yesterday, Monday, June 13th. The DSHV said the Air Assault Forces of the Ukrainian Armed Forces destroyed a BM-27 Uragan multiple rocket launcher and a material and technical support unit of the Russian occupiers. Effective use of artillery from the 81st Airmobile Brigade of the Air Assault Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine destroyed an BM-27 Uragan multiple rocket launcher together with special vehicles and a logistics base of the Russian Armed Forces. The BM-27 Uragan is a self-propelled 220mm multiple rocket launcher designed in the Soviet Union. It entered service in 1975. It is also used by the Ukrainian military. The DSHV, which are headquartered in Zhytomyr in western Ukraine, did not specify where in the country the footage was filmed. Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24th in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. Today marks the 111th day of the campaign. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported that between February 24th and June 14th, Russia had lost 32,500 personnel, 1,434 tanks, 3,503 armored fighting vehicles, 721 artillery systems, 229 multiple launch rocket systems, 97 anti-aircraft systems, 213 warplanes, 179 helicopters, 2,473 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, 13 warships/boats, 588 drones, 54 pieces of special equipment and 125 cruise missiles. All the bridges to the besieged Ukrainian city of Severodonetsk have reportedly been destroyed, the local governor, Suri Haidai, has said. Ukrainian forces there are now cut off from any possible retreat and fierce street-to-street fighting is taking place in the city, which has been the focus of Russian artillery fire for weeks. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said that Russian attacks on the cities of Severodonetsk and Lysychansk have turned them into dead cities. An aide to President Zelensky has said that Ukraine is losing up to 200 troops a day. President Zelensky has repeatedly asked for additional weapons from Ukraine's allies. The United Kingdom and the United States have said they are sending long-range missile systems to Ukraine. Russian President Vladimir Putin has warned of more attacks in Ukraine if the West sends long-range weapons.